The RCP extension identifies an Autodesk ReCap project file containing point cloud scan data organized for use in Autodesk's Reality Capture platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open or manage these point cloud project files. A quick heads up. I've saved my most powerful RCP troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. RCP files are Autodesk ReCap project files that index and organize multiple point cloud scan files into a unified project. They reference RCS scan files containing the actual point cloud data and store project-level settings, coordinate system, and scan registration information. Autodesk ReCap RCP files are XML-based project manifests that reference associated RCS point cloud database files. They store unified project coordinate transformations, scan metadata, and visualization settings. The RCP file requires all referenced RCS files to be present. Autodesk ReCap is the standard set by Autodesk for accessing the RCP format. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows isn't optimized for CAD data, so accurate inspection requires industry-grade design tools. Initiate the compatibility test by right-clicking your RCP file and selecting Open With. If Autodesk ReCap is on your PC, test it. If not, select another program from the list and see if it works. If your RCP file will not open yet, do not panic. Congratulations on making it this far. We know the file is difficult. Now let's systematically test these common failure areas to pinpoint the origin of the problem. First, opening RCP projects. Open the RCP file in Autodesk ReCap or directly in AutoCAD Revit or Civil 3D using the Attach Point Cloud function. Ensure all referenced RCS files are in the path stored in the project. Missing RCS files will cause incomplete point cloud display. Next, cleaning and optimizing point clouds. Use Autodesk ReCap's point cloud cleaning tools to remove noise filter ground points and segment regions of interest. Classify points by category and limit point cloud regions to only the areas needed in your design application to optimize performance. Finally, exporting point cloud data. Export processed point cloud data from ReCap in formats such as PCG LAS or RCS for use in other applications. Use the ReCap export function to generate formats compatible with your target software, including Autodesk products and third-party BIM platforms. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.